Good evening, everyone. It's Thursday, 7th May 2026, and the Nifty 50 finished the day with a confident bias as risk on sentiment returned to the bourses. Broader indices were buoyed by a mix of strong domestic macro indicators and firmer corporate updates, with financials, autos, and consumer names doing much of the heavy lifting. Global cues were mixed but didn't derail buying here. Energy prices held steady, and the rupee traded with modest stability, helping exporters and select cyclical names. Market participants rotated into quality growth stocks on expectations of steady corporate earnings, while short term traders chased momentum into sector leaders. Overall, it felt like selective strength rather than a broad market rally. HDFC Life was one of today's standout gainers, and the move makes sense when you look at investor appetite for steady growth financial franchises. The stock gained traction on optimism around new business momentum, improving persistency metrics, and a healthy mix of retail distribution gains that analysts often flag as high quality revenue drivers. Institutional flows picked up as portfolio managers rebalanced into defensive growth plays with attractive long term visibility on embedded value. Valuation caught up a bit as earnings durability became the headline, and any commentary from management about agency expansion or digital distribution was seized upon by buyers. Short covering amplified the upleg into the close. Section BAJAJ-AUTO. BAJAJ-AUTO outperformed today as autos regained center stage, led by two- and three-wheeler demand recovery and better export sentiment. Traders pointed to steady order books and margin stability driven by operational efficiencies and favorable commodity dynamics, which helped the stock attract fresh interest. The market liked the narrative of a company that can convert volume growth into free cash flow without sacrificing pricing power. Additionally, any talk around new product introductions or broader geographic penetration into emerging markets tends to get investors excited, and that momentum appeared to carry through. Overall, it was a classic sector rotation into quality cyclicals with a credible growth story. Mahindra and Mahindra saw meaningful buying pressure as optimism about rural demand and SUV cycle resilience filtered through. Tractor sales seasonality is playing in its favor, and incremental recovery in urban SUV inquiries has supported sentiment around the auto division. Investors appeared encouraged by the company's EV initiatives and diversification across farm equipment, commercial vehicles, and utility vehicles, which reduces single-segment risk. Margin improvement expectations and a stronger order pipeline help broker notes and fund managers revisit their allocations. Any clarity on CapEx prioritization or partnerships was interpreted positively, leading to steady accumulation through the trading session. To wrap up, today's top gainers, HDFCLIFE, BAJAJ-AUTO, and M&M, reflect the market's preference for durable earnings and clear growth narratives, combined with some healthy rotation into cyclicals. If you're trading the moves, keep an eye on volume, relative strength, and whether broader indices confirm the trend. For longer-term investors, fundamentals and management commentary remain key. As always, tailor any positions to your risk profile and time horizon, and consider speaking to a licensed financial advisor before making portfolio decisions. This is not financial advice. If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more market rundowns and trade ideas.